Now we're heading back into Belgrade to go and ride on Drakon.
There we go. Drakon. I'll show you again. New Valbar power. Can't take this off. Oh, that's delicious. Here we go! That was really smooth. Oh, a little bit of a car. A little bit. Let's get into that stall. A little bit rough at the front. That's nice and smooth.